In front of me is HUAWEI Mate Xs 2, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into tab menu and looking for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it turned grey. That means that auto rotation is now disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut until it's blue. Quick tip: if you want to access auto rotation much faster in the future without even opening tab menu all the way, you need to go back to it first and edit it thanks to this icon at the top right corner. Click on Edit Switches in the pop-up and then drag Auto Rotate shortcut on the first place in a second row. Here, let go, tap on Done at the bottom right corner and go back. Now, every time you will try to access tab menu and manage auto rotation, you can do that by clicking on it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!